Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe, we got Salisbury steak with onion and mushrooms. So yeah, this came out so good, guys. You gotta try it. So here are some of the ingredients that I use: mushrooms, gravy, onions, ground beef, Worcestershire sauce, breadcrumbs, my special seasoning, egg, mixed garlic, and ketchup. So right here is just a half a log of ground beef, and I'm just going to break that down. So now right here I'm going to season it with my special seasoning. If you want to see what's in the seasoning, click on the card up above. And yeah, we're going to sprinkle that on there. We're going to also go ahead and add some breadcrumbs. I really don't like breadcrumbs, but we're just going to put a little bit, not too much, because we want it to be a little dense. Now we're going to go ahead and crack our egg into the mixture. And yeah, you only need one egg. So now for the garlic, I did 1 tablespoon of garlic. And so now we're going to add the Worcestershire sauce and give that a splash of that. Yeah, and don't forget that ketchup. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there as well. We're going to go ahead and mix it up, and we're going to mix it up until it stops being so wet, so it can be a little dense, so we can start forming our patties. I'm just going to go ahead and separate this into 4 balls, and then I'm going to flatten them out. And this was about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Put about a tablespoon of olive oil. You don't need that much grease because ground beef usually make its own grease. We're just going to go ahead and place 2 patties in at a time and let them brown. Here I'm just flipping the burgers, and this is how you want them to look before you flip them. That one came out a little dark, but it's okay. Patties are cooking. We're going to go ahead and slice our onions, and I'm using 1 big onion and 1 small onion. We removed the patties, and now we're going to go ahead and cook our onion in the fat from the patties. So now once the onions get a little translucent and soft, we're going to go ahead and add our mushrooms. And I use half of this container for this meal. So now we're going to start with the gravy packet, and I'm using the gravy packet because I don't want to make gravy. This recipe is already long enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this packet. Per packet you use 1 cup of cold water. So I'm going to go ahead and add the water, and I'm going to go ahead and let it come up to a simmer, and then we're going to add the patties. Right here I'm just checking the gravy and seasoning it with my special seasoning, and then I am going to go ahead and let it get a little thick before I add the patties. And I don't like my gravy too thick, but more like an au jus. Okay, so now since the gravy is getting a little thick, we're going to go ahead and add the patties. And then we're going to cover and let it simmer for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So this is it. This is jasmine rice. If you want to see a video on how I make my jasmine rice, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to go ahead and place my patty on a plate, and then place the gravy. And like I told you, I don't like my gravy too thick. I like it medium. Okay, so yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make this recipe and enjoy it. And you guys give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.